Had to do it.
Alright, Jay, what we filming out here?
You know, behind the scenes right now, we live in Brooklyn, New York, Brooklyn Bridge. We just did Manhattan on 42nd Street. We filmed in Sagittarius, aka Swagittarius, because that's what I am. My birthday November 30th. But I'm about to drop this right here. Sagittarius. Shout out to all the Sagittarius. Shout out to everybody, but you know I'm a Sagittarius, aka Swagittarius. So yeah, that's what this is right now, behind the scenes. What pandemic? We're gonna turn the pandemic to the bandemic. Let's get it. Matter of fact, I got a new home, but I'm gonna let you keep your shoes on.
I just want to show you that just so you kind of have an idea of what it kind of looks like. We can also just get ones that like have more movement in it. I can get closer up shots. Okay. So I'm gonna get closer. Try not to move as much for this one.
Aquarium, I like my girls two-tone, like my watches two-tone. Shit. I even got 2 phones. Matter of fact, I got a new home, but I'ma let you keep your shoes on. Nigga, like, if you get it to me tonight, it's coming out tonight. That's the type of time we on. We really doing this. We working. We not playing. It's no cap. You know, like I just said, I'm just coming from Atlanta. We in New York City. Right before that, I was in Miami. Right before that, I was in Atlanta. Right before that, I was in LA. Right before that, I was in Tulum, Mexico. We working. And that was all this month. That was this month. So ain't I so a Sagittarius? And my daughter an Aquarius. So I just got it in aquarium. I like my girls two-tone, like my watches two-tone. I even got 2 phones. Matter of fact, I got a new home. But I'ma let you put your shoes on. Nah, for real. Like, I'ma let you do that. Right.
Keep walking.
How you say you don't mean to brag, but you bragging. You know your girlfriend, don't you look at the caption. Out in Vegas in the skyscraper. I need a condo with an elevator. With 42 in the refrigerator. Get that check, you gon' blow it like a nigga, ain't you? Matter of fact, I got a new home. But I'ma let you keep your shoes on.
Fire.
Yeah. For real. Like, I'ma let you do that. Sure.
This come together.
Man, this shit coming together real dope. I can't wait until y'all hear it. I can't wait till y'all see the video. White album is next. Aqua and Black is already available everywhere. The app that stole Christmas is out right now. We shooting videos, we shooting content. We turning the pandemic to the bandemic. We working, we ain't letting nothing stop us. You know the vibes. Yeah, young MDK. Let's get it.